Company details. Company. Change company settings. Customer Zone section. In this section, check the Enable Your Account in Customer Zone checkbox. This will allow your customers to view invoices and make payments online by clicking a link in their email. There are two options: Invoices and quotes only. Invoices and account history. Invoices and quotes only. Your customers will be able to view their invoices and quotes online. You can also see if your customer has viewed their invoice or quote. Your customers can print their invoices or quotes and pay you if you have enabled online payments. Invoices and account history. Your customers will be able to view their invoices and quotes online, print their quotes and invoices, and pay you. Your customers will also be able to check their account history. After enter details, click Save button. With the email, system will send a link. By clicking the link in the email, customer can navigate to Customer Zone. Enter access code. You can download or print the document. You can view invoices. You can view quotations. You can view sales orders. You can view credit notes. You can view payments. You can view statements. You can view your contact details.